Hey man, the news then finally broke. We know which Air Jordan 11 we'll be getting in 2024, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the videos, man, and check out what your boy The Adventure's talking about. And you'd be surprised how much engagement we do have down below in the comment section, man. So if you do want to entertain yourself, you know what I'm saying, see what everybody's talking about, you might, you know what I'm saying, be surprised about what people are talking about surrounding the topics of the videos, man. It's a lot of people that's not subscribed that are watching the videos. So if you are one of those people, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell. You guys know when I grind to 100K, it's like the ultimate, you know what I'm saying, YouTube goal, that 100K plaque. And I know we can get it with you guys' support, man. So let's go crazy all 2024 and keep going up together, man. I need everybody to follow this video up with a huge like, man. Like I said, we got some breaking news. You already seen it in the thumbnail, but we got to build that anticipation up talking about next year's Air Jordan 11, man. All right, guys, you seen the thumbnail, you seen the title, you know what we getting, bro. You know what we getting. We ain't getting the Gammas, we ain't getting the Pentones. We are going to be getting the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, man. You gotta check that picture out, man. Check them out, man. You got the high cut patent leather on them things, and it's looking like they're gonna do everything like original, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. If y'all don't know, man, Michael Jordan wore these during an all-star game. I think back in like, I forget the year, don't quote me on the year. He wore the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues back in the day during the all-star game. And ever since then, man, people love the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue colorway. You know, you got the anniversary Air Jordan 11s, you have the Legend Blues. I think it's kind of distinct between those two pairs. Legend Blues have that, you know, icy, vibrant blue on the outsoles, and then the anniversary 11s, they have like a more translucent outsole, kind of more on the clear side of things. But next year, 2024, that is what we will be getting, man, which is kind of crazy, bro. I honestly thought we were going to be getting the Gamma 11s. I was chopping up with the homie. He's like, man, I would have rather had the Gamma 11s as well. But I kind of was like, you know what? They can hold it for a couple of years, you know what I'm saying? Maybe a year or two, because we did just get the Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns back in 2018, man. Probably one of my favorite Air Jordan 11 non-OG colorways that I grabbed in a while. You guys know, listen, bro, I have no laces in these. I started cleaning these a while back, and I was like, you know what? Let me just put them back in the box. And I've never laced them back up ever since. But I gotta pull these things back out, man. All black pair of 11s. You cannot go wrong with it. So I can see why a lot of people wanted to get the Gamma Blues over the Legend Blues. And you just never know what Jordan Brand might do. Like back in the day, we got the Air Jordan 11 and win like 86s or the 82s. And we got the win like 96s, the Midnight Navy, and the all gem red pair. So we could potentially see something like that next year, 2024 as well. I'm not going, you know what I'm saying, say it ain't gonna happen, because we've seen multiple years consecutively where Jordan Brand is always dropping two pair of Air Jordan 11s, usually like a women's exclusive pair and just a regular all family size run pair. Like this year, we got the women's Neapolitans and we got the Air Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes, wherever you want to make up of it. So we could definitely see the actual DMPs with the gold tag, the whole special packaging. We can see that here shortly, bro, because we just got the Concords, what, 3 years ago, 2018? Well, that's 5 years ago. Dang, time is flying, bro. Got the Concord 11s back in 2018. And we also just got these Gratitudes to drop, what, 2023. So we might see the DMP 11s here in a couple years. They're just trying to, you know, make a little bit stuff different. They ain't trying to give us the same thing. Wash and repeat it, wash and repeat it. They switching up the colorways just a little bit. It's smart from their end, you know what I'm saying? Because when they do drop the DMP 11s, they're gonna market it like the DMPs, the defining moment packs. But no more of that stuff. Let's talk about these Air Jordan 11s, bro. Put another picture up right here. I'm in love with them, bro. I actually had this pair back in the day. I made like a trade or something for them, and then I ended up selling that pair to get the Air Jordan 12 Masters. And I honestly don't even know where my Air Jordan 12 Masters are anymore. So probably not a smart trade on my end, given the fact that we never knew when the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues was coming back out. But I guess I did win the end of the day, because we are getting them in 2024, man. Man, I'm low-key excited, man. I'm low-key excited for this pair right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was gonna come up here and say, man, I wish I would've got this, wish I would've got that, because that was definitely my video today. And like I said, out of nowhere, we got the news to break that the Legend Blues will be coming out, high cut, patent leather. It's not gonna be like the 2012, these dropped in 2012 or 2011, one of the two, the Bread 11 release with the low cut patent leather. These is old, bruh. I got these, I got the 2019 Bread 11s, but these right here literally been inside of a box for some years, bro. I haven't worn these in so long, it's crazy. But no more low cut. I guess Nike is sticking strictly with the high cut on the 11s, but I could definitely see Jordan Brand. Switch up a little bit, going back to the low cut, then going back up to the high. Almost like a remastered series if they want to, you know, spin it like that. But man, it's crazy. If you guys will be going after the Legend Blue 11s, man, let everybody know down below in the comment section. And if you would have much rather have something else, like the Pantones, like the Gammas, let us know down below in the comment section, because that's what we're here for, bro. Hey, you guys can say what you want to. This is a event-free zone. We ain't gonna judge nobody over here. If you would much rather have something else other than the Legend Blue 11s, man, let us know down below in the comment section. And again, I'm gonna say it one more time, we could definitely see it to where Jordan Brand drops some crazy Jordan 11s next year, like the Pantones, or, you know what I'm saying, something else to go along with these Legend Blue 11s. I'm telling y'all, hey, don't say I ain't tell y'all yet, but I'm definitely sure they're gonna do something crazy. I don't think they're too happy about how these Air Jordan 11 women's exclusives been doing. So they might go crazy like they did back in, what, 2018, 2017, with the double drop, like the Win Like 82s and the Win Like 96s. Hey, just stay tuned, bro. Next year gonna be crazy. We got a lot of heat dropping military blue 4s. We got Air Jordan 5 Olives coming back out. Air Jordan 11 Space Jam lows. Like, bro, they're going crazy next year, and I'm all here for it, bro. I already got like a solid 10 already that I know I'm a cop. You know, it's gonna be a couple of collabs in there, a couple of, you know what I'm saying, exclusive joints. But as far as, you know what I'm saying, solid 10, I feel like I already got that, and I'm excited for next year, 2024, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in to today's video. Quick little wrap up, give you guys this information, let you know the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues will be coming back out 2024. If you guys are excited for it, if you ain't, let us know down below in the comment section. If you guys are new here to the channel, like I said, it's a lot of people that ain't subscribed that's been watching. Hit the subscribe button for your boy, hit the like button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. Again, thank you so much, man. Love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.
Jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam, everything good on the side, everything coming together, new whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it, California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping, I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes. I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes. Got nothing to lose, it's something to prove. Come from the trench. Cuban links on my neck.